Keep talking.
Oh yeah, they're like doing the urban dance and they're like this. And all of a sudden he's like puts the fire out and the Cheetos burn a hole in the floor and he goes through and he's gotta like...
What are you talking about?
Being an emo kid's hard, okay?
This is Hannah's room. That's very nice.
Very nice.
This is her bathroom that's close to her bedroom. Nobody cares about it. This is her guitar. It's really crappy. That's her mom. She's sitting in there. She's on webcam, maybe. No, she's just looking at it. Yeah, this is her mom's room. This is Ben that looks like Mason. I don't really know what he's doing. He has a Amanaldo.
Person kid.
What's his name again?
Science.
Yeah, Sunshine. It's Dallas, otherwise known as Dallas.
You name everything Dallas. Oh shoot, Dallas. My name's Dallas.
My guitar's name is Dallas.
Everyone else is.
Hey, you have the same poster.
Totally.
Hey, you're like the same person.
Totally.
Okay. Now what are we going to?
My room again.
Okay.
We're gonna do some hardcore dancing.
Now we're going to do some hardcore dancing, I suppose. Or Hannah's going to do some hardcore dancing. Throw down, Hannah. Go, Becky, go!
No!